If you're in the midst of tax season right now, I have a suggestion for you. And that is mostly practices after tax season will do a very good post-mortem, working on the pros and cons of tax season and where they want to improve. They may do this with their management team, maybe even go off site, do a full staff meeting on this topic. And while that's fantastic, what would be even more fantastic is if right now, while you're in the thick of it, if you could make some notes on what is going well and what may need improvement for next year. So some examples would be where are the bottlenecks in your practice right now? A typical area to look at there would be information coming in from the client to the practice, and then the information flow from staff member to staff member within the practice. We also have how are your staff doing? Was staff training adequate before tax season? Have you identified some areas for improvement there? Were we adequately staffed this tax season? Could we have used another tax preparer maybe, or an admin person? And then also any software glitches, anything you would want to change out there before next tax season? And are we getting to take advantage of upselling opportunities, as this is the time of year where you are in most contact with your clients and where taxes and accounting is at top of their minds as well. So I would look for these areas of improvement, and then wherever you keep your notes when you're working on the practice, Word document is fine, wherever you would do that, capture all of these ideas that you have, and that way your postmortem will be a lot more effective after tax season, because what we tend to do is forget very quickly. Maybe we want to forget, and so it's a coping mechanism to move on from tax season, but just making sure that you have captured as much as possible while you're going through it. And then if you have had any ideas for improvement and you want to share those, pop them in the comments below for your peers, and I'm sure it would be greatly appreciated.